What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1591, down 6.63 on the day. Seeing market cap of 192 billion. 24-hour volume 23.25 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So we are starting to roll over, putting in that right shoulder, left shoulder head, right shoulder. If that neckline is broken, we could see a large drop, potentially to put in a wave 2, which is the bullish wave count. That we completed at wave 1, irregular ABC correction. Definitely a possibility here. Put in a wave 2 and then see a huge breakout in a wave 3. However, I do think that this is a relief rally and that we're going to break lower and quite possibly put in a lower low, in my opinion. Now, if we look at this chart here, what I'm looking at is the potential start of a 5-wave move to the downside, which would come down and break this low, this previous low. So we put in a wave 1. Here's your wave 2 pullback. So if we were to measure a wave 3, take your trend-based extension from the top of your wave 1 to the bottom to the top of the wave 2. And wave 3 target, holy smokes. So your minimum target for a wave 3 is usually the 1.618 all the way down here at about 964. And then you put in a wave 4 pullback and you would see that final wave 5 to the downside, which would make sense because what would happen is you'd come down, you'd break the previous low, and you'd put in a wave 5. All right, guys, we broke down from this rising wedge. Technical target is down here at 1361. We now have a head and shoulders pattern that we've been that I mentioned in the previous video. Watch for a head and shoulders. If this neckline is broken, I will give you a breakdown target here. Could take Ethereum all the way down to about 1182. If that neckline is broken, that is your technical target to the downside. That's the bearish count, which I do think there's a strong likelihood. We have I think we're going through a wave 4, looking for that final wave 5, as I've been mentioning. Potential inverse head and shoulders. If we were bounced to the upside, that's the bullish scenario. Or we come down, we put in this wave 2 pullback with a minimum target of 1385. The normal range is in between 1274 and 1090, but of course it can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. So do keep that in mind. Bullish scenario, we bounce from one of these levels and we come up and we put in a wave 3 to the upside. Less likely in my opinion, but definitely a possibility. If that head and shoulders is broken, just be very, very careful, as there is quite a large downside target here for ETH. All right, guys, potential double bottom too would be a really bullish scenario. We come down, we make a bottom, second bottom, and push back to the upside. Personally, I am more biased. I think it's more likely this is a relief rally and we're going to come down. But we'll have to see what happens. All right, that's it for this one. Big shout. Is this video only 2 minutes long? What else can I say here? As I've been mentioning with the previous bear market, when we've had our relief rally, it's very, very similar. And potentially a lot of people were looking at an inverse head and shoulders. What happened? We saw another wave down in the market. So I'm still looking for that one more wave. But anything can happen. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Currently making some juicy gains. Automatic short position. It's only $10 a month for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. Highly recommend it. You can check out my full-length tutorial. $4,500 in bonuses over there. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Peace. Take care.